Are you preparing for an IT support technician interview? Then stop scrolling because you're about to watch the most complete IT support interview simulation on YouTube. Today, you'll learn exactly how to answer the most important questions with long, impressive, employer-approved answers. By the end of this video, you will feel 100% prepared for your interview. On-screen text, IT support technician, full interview guide. Welcome back to the channel. In today's training session, we're running a full professional IT support technician interview with detailed explanations, advanced troubleshooting logic, communication tips, and real workplace scenarios. This is the video you watch before your real interview. Let's begin. White Medium Star Section 1. Basic Interview Questions. Question 1. Tell me about yourself.
Candidate, long, polished answer. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Mark, and I've been working in IT support for over 3 years. I specialize in troubleshooting hardware and software issues, managing user accounts, monitoring system health, and providing exceptional customer service. In my previous role, I handled an average of 35 to 45 support tickets per day, ranging from password resets to network connectivity issues, printer problems, software configuration, and system performance troubleshooting. I'm known for staying calm under pressure and giving clear explanations to non-technical users. I also enjoy documenting solutions and creating knowledge base articles to help reduce ticket volume. What motivates me most is the satisfaction of turning a frustrated user into a relieved user, simply by communicating clearly and solving their problem efficiently.
Your first answer sets the tone. Keep it professional, structured, and confident. Question 2. Why do you want to work in IT support?
I enjoy helping people understand and use technology. IT support allows me to solve meaningful problems every day while continuously learning. Technology changes fast, and working in IT support means I get to stay updated, troubleshoot hands-on issues, and improve user experience.
Okay. Question 3. What are your strongest technical skills?
My strongest skills include diagnosing hardware failures, configuring Windows, troubleshooting network issues, managing Active Directory, using ticketing systems like ServiceNow and Jira, analyzing logs and monitoring tools, setting up and maintaining user devices. I'm also very comfortable with remote support tools, scripting basics, and security best practices.
White Medium Star Section 2. Technical interview questions. Question 4. A user says their computer is very slow. What steps do you take?
I take a systematic approach. Ask questions. When did the slowdown start? During which tasks? Check Task Manager, CPU, RAM, disk usage spikes. Look at startup programs. Disable unnecessary apps. Check for malware. Run Windows Defender plus malware scan. Check storage. Low disk space often causes major slowdown. Check updates. Pending updates sometimes freeze the system. Look at background processes. Maybe a process is stuck. Check for overheating. Dusty fans overheating, throttling. Reboot and retest. Measure performance again. If needed, I escalate for hardware diagnostics or SSD upgrade.
Question 5. Explain the difference between DNS and DHCP.
DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on the network. DNS translates domain names like google.com into IP addresses. Together, DHCP gives the device an address, and DNS tells the device where to go.
Question 6. A user cannot connect to Wi-Fi. What do you do?
I confirm if it's one device or multiple devices. Then I check the Wi-Fi switch, airplane mode, adapter status, IP configuration, driver status, router availability, and attempt ping tests. If needed, I flush DNS and reset the network adapter. I use Active Directory to manage users, groups, computers, policies, and permissions. Common tasks include password resets, unlocking accounts, assigning group memberships, and enabling or disabling users. I also use AD to apply security policies and manage organizational units.
Question 9. Describe your experience with ticketing systems.
I've used ServiceNow extensively to document issues, assign priorities, escalate when necessary, and track SLAs. I always write clear notes so other technicians can follow my work, and I make sure each ticket is resolved professionally.
Question 10. A user says they cannot log into their account.
I check for password expiration, caps lock, wrong domain, account lockout, disabled account, or network authentication issues. If needed, I reset their password in AD and ensure login works.
Question 11. How do you handle an angry or frustrated user?
I stay calm, patient, and respectful. I let the user express their frustration without interrupting them. Once they finish, I acknowledge their feelings. I understand that this has been frustrating. Let's solve this together. Then I explain the next steps clearly. I focus on being empathetic because users often aren't angry at me. They're angry at the situation. Good communication often reduces stress faster than the fix itself.
Question 12. How do you explain technical issues to non-technical users?
I avoid jargon, use comparisons or real-life examples, show visuals when possible, and always check understanding by asking them if they'd like me to repeat or simplify anything.
Question 13. Give an example of when you solved a difficult problem.
I once had a user whose PC would randomly shut down during video calls. I checked logs, hardware temps, BIOS settings, power supply, drivers, eventually tracing it to a failing RAM module. Replaced the RAM issue, resolved user extremely happy. This taught me the importance of thorough, layered troubleshooting.
Question 14. You notice signs of a malware infection. What do you do?
I disconnect the device from the network, notify the security team, run malware scans, check logs, reset passwords if needed, and follow escalation procedures.
Question 15. You see a user storing company data on personal devices. Question 15. You see a user storing company data on personal devices. Question 15. You see a user storing company data on personal devices.
I politely explain the security risks, direct them to company policy, and notify my supervisor if necessary. Company data protection is critical. I politely explain the security risks, direct them to company policy, and notify my supervisor if necessary. Company data protection is critical.
Question 16. How do you prioritize tickets when you have multiple tasks?
I follow the SLA guidelines, prioritize issues affecting multiple users or business-critical functions, and communicate expected timelines clearly.